Hello class, now taking up the next topic, that is the size of the cell. There is a lot of variation in size of the cell. Most of the cell are very small in size and are visible only under a microscope, alright. And then a microscope enlarges or magnifies the cell. Okay, now what does a microscope do? This is a microscope. Okay, these help the us to see the larger size of the cell. Okay, a microscope enlarge, okay, and magnifies the cell. It works like a magnification glass, okay, magnification lens. But see, the magnification lens can provide only small sort of magnification, isn't it? But you think bacteria is very small, but we can see the bacteria with the help of microscope. That means the magnifying power of my microscope is far more, 100 times or 1000 times more as compared to that of normal magnifying glass. Okay, now you see, however, there are some cells which are very big. The size of the cell can vary from 0.1 micrometer to 13 centimeter. Okay, cell can be big or it can be small. Okay, see, very small cell are not visible, but some cell are visible, such as egg are visible. Egg is also a single cell. Okay, now you see 0.1 micrometer is a very small size, but 13 centimeter we can see it easily, isn't it? Now the egg of an ostrich measuring 17 millimeter into 30 millimeter is the largest cell. Okay, ostrich egg is the largest known cell. The size, a single cell. Okay, the size of a cell is independent of size of organism. Okay, see, no matter how big the elephant is, okay, the red blood cell, size of the red blood cell in elephant and the size of red blood cell in us will be same. Okay, that what it means. But the size is directly related to the function it performs. It does not depend on the size of organism. Okay, cell size does not depend on the size of organism, but it depend on the function that cell perform. For example, red blood cell are spherical in both small and big animal, as they perform the same function. Similarly, nerve cell in all organism are long and branched. Okay, that means it depends on the function of the cell. Size of the cell depends on the function of the cell. Okay, size and shape of the cell. Now similarly, nerve cell in all organism are long and branch, and another thing is human nerve cells are believed to be the longest cell. Okay, the longest cell in the human is the nerve cell. All right.